So today I have forgotten all my trowels except for one. Hey everyone, today's job is just a little one. I've got a stud that I need to skim. I've just beaded it and scrimmed it, so I'm going to put some on, and then I've got a bit of patching. I've got to put a stipple finish on the inside, so that's what I'm doing today. I'll show you what it's like. Getting there. So today I have forgotten all my trowels except for one. So it's just a normal one today. It's actually nice just to use one trowel for a change, just to get back to the basics. I found an old speed skim that I'd bent the corners, so I'll show you what I had to do. So I've had to cut off there and cut off there. So yeah, I was struggling to find tools this morning because I'd left them at another job, and yesterday I got called off I had to get back to my own house, and basically I didn't get time to pick up my buckets, and I completely forgot this morning. So luckily I had a few yellow tubs and I had some basic tools. So I had my handboard, my trowel, an angle trowel and some snips. So yes, doesn't always go to plan plastering. But this is going to look nice. I've got to patch in this pattern in a minute, just on these bits here. Basically, they wanted this one flat and they want this one just to patch in, because I think eventually it'll all get re-skimmed, but at the moment they just want it to be stuck how it was. But if I show you in here, oh, I've got a light in here. Nope, no lights in here. So I've had to do like a swirly pattern on this one. If you can see my swirly pattern there, just to match in with the rest. It's like a cottage finish, basically, for people who wanted it cheap back in the day and wanted it done quick. But it'll all look all right in the end. I'll show you how I'll do that in a bit, but I'm just gonna get over this. This probably needs like another 10 minutes, so I'll get over this in a minute. Right, so it's going all right now. I've just given it its hard trial. Yeah, it's going pretty well so far. I tell you what, today it's been a nice change just to use one trowel all the way through, because I think you all know that I do use my Superflex trowels, and I do use a Carter 101 plastic trowel. You only need one trowel, let's be honest. It's nice having the tools to make it life a little bit easier. But yeah, I've got to say, it's nice just to get back into the habit of just using one trowel all the way through. Right, so that part's done now. So I'm going to be patching in on the side now. And this is going to be very quick to do. If you can see the finish here, it's like a It's like a trowel, lumpy, bumpy finish. So I PVA'd here and all the way around, just to try and control some of the suction on the sand cement, because I've not mixed this. I don't really know what I'm up against. So I will put the camera here and we'll see how close we can get to the finish. Right guys, that job's done now. It's all gone to plan. I've stippled those bits in. It looks like it was. Yeah, nice early finish for today. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I drop videos every Tuesday. There's all sorts of plastering content on here. So if you like them, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.